welcome back to today's video. So before we open our fidgets, I want to show you some that I've already opened. So these are the only ones I've already opened. I've been waiting all day. We got these from Wonderworks, so shout out to Wonderworks. And also we were sponsored by Wonderworks because most of the stuff all came from Wonderworks, even my new background. Well, it's not really a background, it's just a little blanket. But just shush. Okay, no one, just shush. Okay, anyway, like I was saying, so I got these globbles and they're really sticky. I just washed them because they were dirty. These are really good globbles. No Clemson. I'm kidding. Okay, well, I'm more of a fan of, you know, I forgot what they're called. How am I a fan of Gamecocks? Yeah, Gamecocks. Eat. Okay, so cool. So I think these are actually really cool and really good. I really like these. Other than globals, I want to show y'all. We got some bags. Ooh, gotta fix the camera. Okay, so we have some bags of some stuff. So first up we have a dimple. So guys, I may or may not have lost my bags of fidgets. So we got new ones. So if you're really young, I recommend not using scissors unless you have an adult with you. I'm home alone. Okay, not really. Just yeah. So, anyway, we have our new dimple. I think this dimple is actually really good. This is really. Don't look at me, please. But I have another dimple at my other house. So it looks different and smaller, but this one is still really good, just as good as the other one. Don't mind me. Man, go about your own business. You don't fit. Go about your own business. Oh, that's squishy. I like that. Okay, anyway. Besides that, oh, I can't run because I have scissors in my hands. Whoa. Okay, anyway, seriously, don't run with scissors in your hands. But we have the, oh wait, that's nothing. That's for another video. That is not for this video. That was your sneak peek. That's it. We got this guy. So it's a new wallet. Sorry, a purse. Dying over here. So my grandma has already given me something. I don't really know why, but she did. So thank you, Grandma. Didn't ask, but yeah. So it is a puppet. You're probably wondering, like, how do you pop the overside? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was like messing with this all day before I even started this video. So you just pop it from the inside like this, as you can see. See? Okay. Back into our pile. Don't stick to the cardboard. Stop it. Okay. I have always wanted one of these. So we're gonna open this. Zip. Our little dice, and we have our puppet. Okay. I'm probably gonna be playing with this with my friends all day long. We're gonna be betting, like pop. Why is it ripped? Rip off. Okay. Anywho. So we're gonna play this little round. This is my side, that's your guys' side. I'll just roll for you. Might just throw it on my grass. I'm kidding. Drop our dice. Ready, roll. What did I get? I got 6. Okay, your guys' turn. Y'all got... Okay, let's turn that to 1. 9. Are you serious? How did you guys get 9 in a... Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, I got 9. Okay, maybe it's okay. Yes, you guys got 4. I'm winning, and I hope it. That wasn't even a roll. I get that I got 9. There's just 9s up in here. But 7. When I say 9s are up in here all day. Your turn. Y'all got 4. So basically, if I win, 9, yay. But if I win this, I get to keep this purple globble. If you guys win it, comment below. Better comment below that you, sorry, I'm trying to talk. Okay, sorry, wrong thing. That was for something else. That was a different giveaway. No, don't speak at the giveaway. I have erased your mind. Your mind is gone. Okay, anyway, like I was saying, my friend Artsy Angel, Artsy Vlogs now. So Artsy Vlogs, if you guys subscribe to her, and you guys subscribe to Spring Bonnie, and you guys subscribe to me and Toasty Angels, which is me and Artsy Angels YouTube channel. I will give you guys a shout out, and I'll give someone a shout out if you guys win and you guys subscribe to all of them. Hopefully, I'll give everyone who comments, you guys subscribe. Don't worry, I'll be checking if they got any more subscribers. Don't worry, I can check. I have my ways. Now, don't be cheating. Okay, so comment down below and I'll check. And I will give everyone who does it, all those rules, a free shout out. And also, I will pie myself in the face with mayonnaise, which I don't want to do. So please don't do it, please. I don't want to pie myself with mayonnaise. Okay. Oh wait, I got 9, but you guys got 6. So I'll just put your 6, and I'm gonna roll again. Okay, I got 6. 6, and then I gotta do my 9. Okay, your guys' turn. So far I'm winning. Okay, you guys got 7. My turn. I got 5. And you guys got 8. Oh no. You guys, oh what? I think I'm winning, and I hope I am. 6. Guys got 11. Wow. I hope I win. Whoo. Okay. Thank the Lord. You guys got 3. Thank the Lord, I got 8. That was all I needed. Oh wait, I need to get those 3. Please don't get double 6. You got 6 and 5. Okay, I see how you want to play, little game. 6, and now we gotta do 5. You guys just won. No! I'm gonna go get the mayonnaise real quick. I hope you guys enjoy watching me suffer. I opened that one. I really don't care right now. Oh my god, it's coming. That was not supposed to happen. On the after. That's disgusting. I'm gonna stink. What did I do? Oh, I hate. Okay. Ew. You guys better subscribe to them. Oh wait. I don't bother shout out with this mayonnaise. Yes, I really do. Oh my god. That's disgusting. I stink. Wait, was that expired? Curse the world. I smell like fish. You better subscribe now. You better. Thanks a lot, guys. My turn. I still smell weird. This is not part of this. This is a part of this. If you guys didn't know, I've been collecting gamer control pops lately. I have a mini, a normal size, and this. This little buddy, I call him Jumbo Buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Bro, this thing's bigger than my face. Okay, anyway. Oh, wow. This is actually really good. And the, like, pieces are, like, really, really soft. Guys, I think this is really good. I think this one was definitely so good. Guys, this was actually pretty good. Not as bad as the mayonnaise, at least. Oh my god, there's still mayonnaise on me! It stinks. Ooh. Oh. That's what you guys wanted, right? Jeez. Put that in our pile. You may no longer see it, but you guys may see it. Oh, and also we still have another bag. It went on our tables. Okay. No, why was it one of these? Here we go. So basically you can stick it to something. Maybe like like a notebook and just even pop it. It's a really good pop it, I'm not gonna lie. What shall I stick to? That sucks. Okay, anyway. This would take me a really long time to get all the stickiness off. Trust me, I have a bubble tea version and it took me hours and hours and hours just to get it all off. Well, that's my pineapple puppet and I think it's actually really good. Next up we have, oh wait, this is my dad's fidget. I'll be right back. Open it. It's a poop. So we're just gonna film opening it and he will have it. I'm still gonna test it out. Shh. Oh. Ah! Oh my gosh, I feel like all my friends keep trying to prank call me because I keep getting calls from no caller ID. I'm like, so yeah. Oh my god, finally. Oh wow, that's a really good puppet. That's actually pretty good for poop. So here's his little poop puppet. Take a better look at it. But this is actually really good. I like that. Okay, next. We are still not done. This is the last item in the big bag. Wait. I know I had another item. This is why I checked on. My ice cream. Pop you in the bag. And 5 hours later, it's probably still not gonna be open, or it'll be an easy one. I like this. Oh, this is if I want to turn this into a poop, it's a poop. Okay. Put that into my mini pile collection. Okay. Next bag. This bag is empty. Well, that's it for today, guys. But I'm gonna show you guys all the fidgets I got the pineapple stuck to the table. That was satisfying. I'm gonna put the pineapple somewhere. Just somewhere. My own little personal puppet. Then everyone's gonna be pressing my buttons. Literally buttons. Button. I feel like why I'm attracted to puppets is because of they're like buttons. So yeah. Oh my god. My buttons. I got buttons. Well, I hope you guys like this little puppet right here. In the comment section below, tell me which one was your favorite. have our ice cream. So this was also another one I got. Put that on my little mini pile. I took the poop out of my mini pile mainly because it's not actually mine. So yeah. Next, we also have this. If you guys remembered it in the video. I'm just showing you guys it all again so you guys can remember them. The globbles, the dimple, and obviously you guys remember the dice roll. If you guys didn't, I just slapped my face with mayonnaise for no reason. How funny! I swear, if you guys, I almost picked up the wrong item, which is a mystery item. You guys see me reveal it on accident in this video, so make sure you remembered it. Don't rewatch it just to remember it. That's for a new video. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!